Mount Baker, Mount Rainier. You can see both of them.
That's Mount Baker?
Yeah, over there, that's Mount Baker. That's, yeah, so you can see Mount Baker, Mount Rainier. Cool, huh?
That's really cool. I
Yeah.
didn't hear that.
Yeah. Sorry to make you sad, but it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. It's just, some people said we might get a little bit of hail.
Well, then I'm glad I read the ferry today.
Yeah, I know. You're probably heading home, are you?
I am, yeah.
That's good.
You got a plane right above us.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah, the other side of the boat, it's super windy, and you can hear it whistling. I could barely get the door open to get out. At the front, that door is so strong, the wind is so strong, that I can't even get out that well.
Yeah,
I had to push my mic to get the door open.
yeah, it's probably super heavy.
Yeah. You know, Mount Rainier looks a lot bigger, but Mount Baker is actually taller.
Is it?
I think so, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I never knew that.
Yeah. Well, it looks like we're going to be there really soon. And there's another ferry. There's another ferry down there. What's down there?
Is that Vashon Island?
Oh, that's cool. I was like, there's a ferry down there too. There's ferries everywhere in the middle of the ocean.
There's another big ship down here.
Finally. Let's see if this guy blows his horn.
Yeah?
That'd be pretty cool. It looks like we're going to slow down again. It looks like that one's just sitting there. I don't think it's moving at all.
I don't think it's moving.
Yeah.